Hell no. Había una vipa era. Dang. Hey, the real ones know about this though.
Hey guys, welcome back to Central Florida Pick and Pay. Today I'm challenging Rene to see what 5 random items we can find in the car. But you already know who's gonna win.
You know I'm gonna win.
Let's see.
All right, now let's see what we gonna find. Offload inverter with the fuse. Okay. Don't mind if I do. Dang. Hey, the real ones know about this though. Found me a lighter. Oh yeah, that's going in there. Some nice little find. Oh no. Oh, wallet though. No money, but I'ma act like I found some money in it. Yeah, let's go.
It's my turn now. Let's see what I find. Oh, okay. Look at this. Lip shine. Hairy lip shine. And Sharpie. Okay. Little toy. What's going on with these people? That's why your cars are here. Got some baby shoes. They're mint condition, you know. You know how much this is worth? This is worth a lot. This is ancient. All right. So
yeah, they're a little dirty. They're a little dirty. What are they?
Hey,
Hirachis?
No, those
abandoned Hirachis. All right.
They go like that.
Okay.
They go like
all right,
that.
sure,
That's
sure.
that's the new style.
Look what I got. I got a hand painted. You know what I'm saying?
Do you even know what that is? That's the clown from Hunter x Hunter.
Okay. You already know.
I got
I'm winning.
lip balm just for you, you know, because I know you need it for your lips.
But nobody gonna use that though. You know, somebody gonna use this.
Oh, it actually works?
You know what I'm saying?
So, look at this. I got an extension. Who doesn't need this?
I got an inverter.
Hey, that's, I tell you, that's cheating because that's technically for the car.
You connected to the car?
That's for the car. That's for the car. This is not for the car. So technically, you're missing an item, sir. Anyways.
I still won.
Yeah.
I'm still winning.
Look, I got some lotion because I know you always ashy. So, you know, if you want to put some on before you lose, I got your little scary book so you can read yourself little bedtime stories at night.
I got a wallet so you can save your money and stop spending it.
It had money in it?
Yeah, I had a 50 and I took it. No money, but I'ma act like I found some money in it. Hey, you get some good finds here.
Yeah, whatever.
You're lying. I'm for real. Got a little 50. Hey. Keep finding that.
I don't know. Maybe it did have money. Anyways,
Yeah.
I think mine was better.
Hey,
To
nah.
be honest.
I definitely won. Let us know in the comments.
Please let us know. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time, okay?